How to use a recycling baler. Have you looked at your recycling bill lately? Do you know just how much you spend just to throw things away? Are you ready to turn your cardboard, styrofoam, plastic, paper, and other such materials into cold hard cash while helping the environment? It's time to invest in the appropriate baler equipment for your business. Recycling baler best practices. Load a batch of recyclable waste into the compression chamber. Close the chamber with a safety gate or apparatus to protect yourself and others from moving parts. Start the compression cycle with the push button, floor pedal, or a touchscreen. A hydraulic ram will press the compression plate home to fully compress each load of new recyclable material. When the machine is full of compressed items, an indicator light or alert will let you know it is time to strap the bale and remove it from the machine. Bales are wrapped with wire or twine and then ejected from the machine mechanically or removed manually with a forklift. Work with a baler service provider you can trust. Global Trash Solutions partners with businesses nationwide to provide commercial waste management solutions that are green, scalable, and cost-effective. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation. We'll help you understand how quickly your new baler will pay for itself and which size baler you need for your business. See how GTS can bail you out of spending more than you need to on your waste management services while helping you reach your business sustainability goals.